In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form in iContact. We'll walk through the exact flow to build a simple branded form that sends new subscribers straight into your email list. Start by logging into your iContact account at app.icontact.com. This is your dashboard for managing lists, campaigns, and forms. Before you dive in, it helps to know which list you want new contacts added to, so have that in mind as you go. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Forms. This opens the Signup Form tool. Everything you create here is designed to capture details and route those contacts directly into your iContact lists without manual work. Click the option to create a new signup form to launch the Signup Form wizard. The wizard guides you step by step so you can focus on what information you need to collect and how the form should look on your site. Now let's build the form. Add your fields, starting with email, which should be required. Many marketers include first name and last name to personalize messages, and you can add other fields like phone or custom fields if they're truly necessary. Keep in mind, shorter forms usually convert better, so only ask for what you'll actually use. The builder typically supports drag and drop, making it easy to reorder fields and set required versus optional inputs. Customize the look and feel to match your brand. Set a clear title or heading that explains what people are signing up for, and choose button text like subscribe or join list that feels action-oriented. Adjust field labels so they're easy to understand, and keep the layout clean and mobile-friendly. It's also a good idea to add a short note about what subscribers will receive and how often. If you operate in regions with strict privacy rules, include a consent or permission checkbox as part of your fields. During setup, choose the list that new signups should be added to. This setting determines where your contacts live and which automations or campaigns they'll flow into. Double-check you're selecting the intended list, especially if you manage multiple audiences. When the form is ready, publish it. iContact will provide embed code in either a JavaScript snippet or a standard HTML form. The JavaScript option is great for quick embeds and automatic updates, while HTML gives you more control over styling. Copy the code and paste it into your website wherever you want the form to appear, such as a landing page, sidebar, or footer. After publishing, do a quick test submission to confirm everything works and that new contacts are landing in the correct list. That's it. Your iContact signup form is live and ready to grow your audience.